Okay, we're at the Country Inn and Suites in Indianapolis on the 3rd floor. So this is like a suite room. So it's got this little sitting area with a couch. There's a pull-out. There's a TV there. Got a desk. Got a microwave. Refrigerator.
I made myself at home in here.
And then 2 queen beds. Oh, go in the bathroom. And we've been here like less than 5 minutes and the girls already got their stuff out. So it looks like we got our shampoo and stuff on the thing. I actually do have 4 towels. A lot of times I feel like they only give us 3, so that's nice. All right. Country Inn and Suites by Radisson near the airport in Indianapolis.
I'm gonna go wait.
It is almost midnight. We're going back out to the car because we forgot Abby's shoes. So I will go ahead and show you the rest. So my husband decided we need to take the stairs.
This is the widest stairs I've ever seen.
It smells like marijuana.
Do what?
It smells like marijuana.
Of course, everybody does that now. Everybody's a big virtual loser. That's going to find everywhere.
I want to go. But we'll go to the lobby on the way back. All right, we just left our car. So the parking lot's completely full. So we're parked back by no one else. So the lacrosse team was an hour ahead of us because we couldn't leave the same time as them because Abby had a lacrosse game in Webster Groves. Anyway, they got here an hour ago and the front desk told them they were overbooked and they didn't have enough rooms for them. So they had to go, and I guess the front desk called around and found them a different hotel, and they're staying at a Holiday Inn Express about 20 minutes away. But since I already had my reservation and they still had my room, I had to keep it, otherwise, lose my money. So we were at 2 different hotels than the team. Not extremely happy about that, but I mean, obviously I've heard of them overbooking like airlines, but is overbooking hotels a thing? I did not realize overbooking hotels was a thing. So it's like midnight and this place is pretty we've seen a lot of people arriving since we've been here. So definitely something going on this weekend. There's so many people. All right, we're going out for birthday gifts. Stairs going up. That's the pool. It's closed right now. Here's the elevators. I think I lost my husband. I guess he's taking the stairs.
Over a period of 5 years, it gets stronger and stronger every year. And we have like 10, sometimes 20 different apps.
Oh no, here it comes, buddy. I didn't see you. I thought maybe you were doing the stairs. I'm like,
I was getting ready to go back to the weight room and see if you're in there.
I was
told you to
taking.
hang on while we're in the lobby.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. No, I was like, I guess he took the stairs.
This is pretty much iced coffee.
It's cold.
Oh yeah, I got a decaf.
But I'm surprised they have coffee this late.
They usually always have 24-hour coffee in pots in the lobby along with that. Yeah.
Okay. So now we are 3rd floor. We are 324. Okay. Did we drop something? I don't think that's our shoe.
Is everyone going on?
Oh, I didn't notice it. Oh, oops. I just walked past our room. All right, we're here at Marion University outside of Indianapolis. We had a park all the way over there. None of the side gates are open. So now I gotta walk all the way over here. So this is, like I said, Indianapolis, Indiana. This is a private college called Marion University. And apparently they're nice. So this is the first lacrosse game for UHSP for this spring break trip. Apparently we're close to the airport. A little windy, not as windy as yesterday, just a little windy. We're in purple today.
Fans, we've met the starters and the coaches, players and fans. It's time for opening call.